best tool for Instagram growth. Been working with a client recently, and this is a tool I have found everybody recommends. It's also useful for TikTok. So you go onto Instagram, and then you go into any creator, you go into the Reels. It's just an extension. It's like $14, and then you can just press on views, and you can just sort it. It's crazy, bro. It's hella useful. This way, you can look at what your competitors are doing, and basically take their best stuff and make it yours. Steal and twist. That's what I like to call it. And then you can export this as a Google Sheets, for example. And then now you can see their best performing shit, which is crazy, right? And I could have kept that running, and I could have gone through their entire thing. So this way, you can look at top performing content, which will most of the time be a short clip because it gets routed a lot, viewed a lot. If you're starting by views, and you can do reaction clips to those clips. You can do a whole lot, but it's really good stuff. The tool is called SortFeed. All right. Goodbye.